What is up, guys? Welcome to the South Coast. Just wanted to welcome you all back. Today we're in the metal shop. Got a bit of a little metal project going on. Another one of my welded cross wall hangers. So in the metal shop today, going to get the metal hammered out right now. Get that cross welded up, and then we're going to head back to the house and get the wood set up and ready to go. Get that cross mounted on that wood and send it on out the door. So y'all stick around. If y'all enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There'll be more videos like this coming along. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get after it. Alright guys, well the steel is done. I got a coat of clear coat on it. It is time to get to the wood. I got a nice piece of Cypress again on this one. And we'll get it cleaned up with the wire brush on the drill. I'll get it cut to width, and then I already did some planing on this one. It's already pretty flat. I may just have to sand it and seal it. So that's where we're at. Alright guys, well that is going to do it for this video. Got that piece assembled, ready to go. I'm gonna let that sealer cure for another day or two, and then get it boxed up and shipped out. And so this piece is going out to the Wranglerstar family. If you're in the sort of outdoor world, not hunting and fishing necessarily, but like homesteading, I guess would be the niche he's in on YouTube. You probably already know of him. His channel will be linked below, but a lot of the woodworking and stuff that I do on this channel, I draw a lot of inspiration from Wranglerstar. He's one of the first channels that I really subscribed to, and he's been a big inspiration and a motivator for me to start this YouTube channel, and I've learned a lot from watching his videos, and this is just my way of sending him a little thank you. Just let him know I appreciate everything he's done, all the videos he makes. So Wranglerstar, if you're watching this, I appreciate it. Thank you for all you and your family do for the YouTube community. I hope y'all enjoy this. Hope it finds a good spot at your house or in your shop or anywhere really. So just wanted to thank y'all for making the videos. We appreciate it. But anyway guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, click subscribe, because there's going to be more like it coming down the line. Hit that thumbs up and leave me some comments. I could always use comments on my woodworking. Always use some tips and tricks on my welding also. So anyway guys, y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time down here on the South Coast.